Welcome to WH Creator. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, we're going to learn how to check and delete your Google search history step by step. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel, WH Creator, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials and updates. First, open your Chrome browser on your computer or mobile device. Now, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Once you're in your Google account settings, click on the Data and Privacy tab on the left side of the screen. Scroll down a little until you find the section called History Settings. Here, you'll see an option named Web and App Activity. Click on it. Now, scroll down and click on Manage all web and app activity. Here you can see your complete Google history, including searches, websites, and app activities. By scrolling, you can explore more of your history. You'll notice a cross icon beside each activity. If you want to delete a specific item, simply click on the cross icon and then confirm by clicking Delete. Instead of deleting items one by one, you can delete multiple histories using the Delete option above the list. Click on Delete, and you'll see several options such as Last hour deletes history from the past hour. Last day deletes all history from the past day. Custom range lets you choose a specific date range to delete. Always removes all your Google history permanently. Choose the one that fits your need and confirm deletion. You'll also see an option called Auto Delete. When you click on it, you can choose a time duration like 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months after which your history should automatically delete. But remember, sometimes auto-delete doesn't always remove everything automatically right away. It only deletes data that's older than the time period you selected, and some data might still stay longer. So, if you want your history fully cleared, it's better to delete it manually as shown in the earlier steps. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to view, manage, and delete your Google history both manually and automatically, with an important reminder about auto-delete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more easy and professional tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.